Keeping your home clean can be challenging, especially when you have pets. Between muddy paws, accidental spills, and those inevitable pet stains, maintaining pristine carpets and upholstery often feels like a losing battle. This Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus, a cordless portable carpet cleaner designed to make your life easier by tackling tough pet messes with effortless convenience. This review delves into the features, performance, and benefits of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus, and why it is an essential tool for every pet owner. Key benefits of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus. 1. Cordless convenience. The 7.2 lithium-ion battery allows for portable, grab-and-go cleaning anytime, anywhere. 2. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. 3. No water required. Store the cleaning formula directly in the machine for hassle-free, immediate use. 4. Effective stain removal. The Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula, combined with the scrub brush, tackles tough pet stains and odors efficiently. 5. Versatility. Ideal for carpets, upholstery, stairs, area rugs, and car interiors, making it a versatile cleaning tool for any household. 6. Supports pet welfare. Every purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus comes in a compact, user-friendly package. Inside, you'll find the main cleaning unit, 2 trial-sized bottles of Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula, and a removable scrub brush. This cordless cleaner is powered by a 7.2 lithium-ion battery, ensuring it's always ready to go when you need it. One of the standout features of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus is its cordless design. This grab-and-go cleaner offers the ultimate convenience for tackling messes wherever they occur. Whether it's on the carpet, stairs, upholstery, area rugs, or even in your car, the Pet Stain Eraser Plus is lightweight, weighing just 3 pounds and highly portable, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Unlike traditional carpet cleaners that require water and mixing, the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus simplifies the process. The machine allows you to store the included Oxy formula directly in the tank, eliminating the need for water. This means no hassle, no mixing, and no mess. Just grab the cleaner, spray, scrub, and suction away tough stains and spills instantly. The Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus is designed to loosen, lift, and remove even the most stubborn pet stains. The included Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain formula works effectively on a variety of surfaces, breaking down and eliminating stains and odors at the source. The removable scrub brush enhances the cleaning power, ensuring that embedded dirt and stains are thoroughly removed, leaving your surfaces clean and fresh. This portable carpet cleaner is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for everyday messes such as tracked-in dirt, liquid spills, and pet stains. The ergonomic design and lightweight nature make it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Whether you're dealing with a fresh accident on your carpet or an old stain on your upholstery, the Pet Stain Eraser Plus handles it all with ease. One of the most convenient features of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus is its readiness. With the formula stored in the machine, it's always ready to clean whenever a mess happens. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners, as accidents can occur at any time. The quick and easy setup means you can address stains immediately, preventing them from setting in and becoming more difficult to remove. Every purchase of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus supports a worthy cause. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, are not just investing in a cleaner home, are also contributing to the welfare of animals in need. Imagine this: you come home to find that your beloved dog has tracked mud all over your living room carpet. With the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus, there's no need to worry. Simply grab the cordless cleaner, spray the affected area with the pre-stored Pet Pro Oxy formula, scrub with the removable brush, and suction away the mess. In minutes, your carpet is clean, and you can get back to enjoying your evening without the hassle of mixing solutions or dealing with cumbersome cords. Or consider this scenario: you're taking your cat to the vet, and an accident happens in the car. The lightweight and portable nature of the Pet Stain Eraser Plus means you can clean up the mess right there in the parking lot, ensuring your car remains clean and odor-free. Conclusion: the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus is a must-have for any pet owner. Its cordless convenience, powerful cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly design make it an invaluable tool for maintaining a clean and comfortable home. Whether dealing with everyday messes or unexpected accidents, the Pet Stain Eraser Plus is always ready to tackle the job. Plus, with every purchase supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation, you're also contributing to a noble cause. Experience the convenience and power of the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser Plus for yourself. Say goodbye to pet stains and odors, and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home with this innovative portable cleaner. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.